Hey guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. So, this is a tutorial for beginners about a Taiko Airdrop. Okay, so this is a wallet actually that you could insert some cryptocurrency in here. So there's a bunch of things that this wallet is actually capable of, and we're just requesting connection at the moment. So all you need to do is download this on Google. It's absolutely free for you to download this. There is beta version, but there's also premium version as well. So in this case, we're just going with the beta version. All they need is your email, your phone number, basically it. So as you can see, the balance is all zero. So this is a fresh off the bat, as fresh as you could get here of an account. So you're going to be selecting a wallet. Again, we're just exploring some of their key features here. So unlike Telemo, I do have a Telemo account back then. They are very similar to Telemo as well. So you could just basically claim your business name here, input your business name. Let's select a business name first before anything else, before we proceed to the assets or basically other applications that we could basically traverse from here, right? So let's select a business name here, Mint. Click on this one. Let's just wait for it to load here a little bit. So we're now ready to build our base profile. So in here, it actually is AI basically supported. So you could search for a name here and it'll suggest a name that hasn't been used. So I know it's kind of hassling when you try to create a username in other website, but it says unfortunately this name is already taken. But this one, as you can see, I could just basically use this as a base account name. So the duration is about a year they do have, and so whatever wallet you have, I do have Binance for wallet, and I also have MetaMask as well. So yeah, so let's go with MetaMask as the wallet that is going to be connected here. That's what we're going to be using. So let's just wait as it's collecting data. Okay, so and here, yeah, we're just basically done here with the setting up. As you can see, it absolutely recommended a name for itself. My account code references here. You can go to the wallet dashboard if that's what you want, or you can disconnect if you want to connect another wallet. So in here, this is handy if you want to copy paste your basically account name, right? So now that you've claimed your names here, your account names, this is the asset where the balance is here. Cryptos is here as well. The F1 and transaction, so everything is here on the side here. You can just basically buy crypto and yeah, basically start trading as well. So we've already connected our wallet, so which means we could just basically buy all types of cryptos here. So there's a lot of accounts here to choose from, connected addresses, managed wallets as well. So you could basically add one in and of itself for yourself also. So on the apps in here, there's a bunch of apps here that are also cryptocurrency based, and it's up to you what to do with it. So you could trade with them. You could basically download one of these apps as well if that's what you want. I don't see the rather popular ones, although I do believe that they are giving windows for applications that are just basically created fairly recently. Okay, so you can basically open the app like this one, and you can buy crypto here. We need to verify our wallet first in that case. So the wallet that I've connected here isn't verified because it's fresh off the bat. First, we've created it a couple of days ago, so yeah, still need to verify that one. And but if you have a verified wallet, you can just basically plug it here and start the process. And yeah, you could add crypto to continue, and you could buy, sell, trade as any other platforms out there. And you could watch. Also, a lot of people have been using Binance with this one as well. So I do believe that Binance is the number one leading partner for this one. As a wallet. So this is your QR code here leading to your site if you're selling or if you're trading. Just basically copy this and do whatever you want with this. Share this online via WhatsApp or whatever platform it is you'd like in order for you to share the location of this wallet support of yours. Again, this is a wallet support, so you need to actually connect an actual crypto wallet here that is 100% verified. So let's just wait for it to load a little bit here as we go to the next phase. All right. So Drifter is also a wallet that is you can basically connect this one right here. Solana as well. And you just basically need to verify this one. And how to verify this is just basically need to pass some credentials, OTP, one-time password. So this is Solana right here. I do believe Binance is here as well. So you could click here, agree and acknowledge their terms and conditions, and just basically click on agree and continue, and just wait for the magic to happen here. So Coinbase, we have MetaMask as well connected to this one. Magic Eden, Phantom. I am using Phantom, so you can connect your Solana wallet here. So we're still connecting our Solana wallet. All right. So once you're done with that, here's your QR code. Again, you could do with it however you wish. If you want to basically sell, or if you want to tell, basically let people know that you do have this crypto exchange website, and that's just basically to copy it and paste it. So that's just it, guys. Thank you so much for watching Tech Trick Tutorials, and you guys have a nice day.